Normally, we send text message email. But what if you want to send an email that contains lot of colorful text, list, images, and any kind of font or format? Let's see an example. Here is a text file I have created on Microsoft Word. Now I want to send it to our client or someone. But question is, how can I send it? You can tell me, hey, you can send it as an attached file. No, it's not a good idea. Trust me guys, if you send this email to someone you don't know, a stranger, then they will not even click your attached file, because that's how email scam happen. Even they can consider your attached file as a computer virus. That's why they will not download or click your attached file. So what's the other way to send this email to that person? Maybe you are thinking about copy paste. No, it's not also a good idea. Look, if you do that, copy your whole text or script, then paste it to your email body, it will break up. Sometimes it may looks great, but whenever the receiver open your email, the whole bunch of text will look horrible. So, is there any other way to send it perfectly? Yeah, that's why this video is. There is a way called sending email as a HTML file. Maybe you don't know what is HTML file? You don't have to. Just follow my instruction and you will be able to send your email without any mess up. At first, you have to collect a HTML file of your text. If you know how to write in HTML format, then great, copy those text. If you don't know, don't worry. Just write down your text in Microsoft Word by using any format, hyperlink, text, font, images or color. Then go to backend and save it as a HTML file. Now open your HTML file with Notepad or any HTML editor and copy your text. Now go to your email section, insert any emoji and right click that emoji and click inspect. That will open a developer tool in the bottom of your window. Now find the image tag and right click on it, then click edit as HTML. Now select all the text and replace it with your HTML text that you have just copied. Here we go now. You will see a beautiful email format. Now you can send this email to anyone, I guarantee. It will not break up and it will look great. I hope you like this video and it will be helpful to you. If you have any question, just let me know by asking in the comment section. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.